The battery model is CR1220. The voltage is 3 volts. 1. Power off the Cobit, turn off the switch, and disconnect the power cable. 2. Unplug all cables from the controller. 3. Unscrew 6 screws. 4. Turn over the board. Attention! There are 3 cables connected with Safe.io board, so when you turn over the board, you need to be careful not to snap the cables. 5. Install the battery with its labeled side facing outward. 6. Return the board to its original orientation. 7. Install 6 screws. 8. Reconnect all the cables, which you unplugged at the first step. 9. Reconnect the power cable, and turn on the power switch.